Hey guys, this is Tina and I'm back. I totally forgot that I had just done a live video in another group and I was uploading, so it wasn't recording properly. And I'm hoping that's not happening again because it's looking like it is. So if you pop on here, let me know if this video is really blurry or if it's buffering a lot, or you can't get on here, because that means the other video is still uploading. I wonder if it's doing that. Hey, Tammy. Awesome. Somebody's on here. Hey, Tammy, let me know. Is this video blurry or is it buffering a lot? I was in the middle of uploading another video, and I can't tell if it's quite done. And so it's kind of acting, my live video here is kind of acting a little bit funny, and I want to make sure that everything is good. Okay, so it's okay. All right. So I'm just going to continue on then, and it's going to, whatever it's doing that is being funny on my end, I'll just go with it. So I just wanted to jump on here really quick, you guys, this morning. It is Wednesday, and I am trying to get a bunch of stuff done today. So I'm going to jump on here and do this live for you guys, and then I'm going to upload it to YouTube. So this is my last call for my paper share. So what a paper share is, let me first explain that in case you're unfamiliar. What I do is I order all of the paper from the catalog. So here's our designer paper, a little dark. You guys want a light? It's gonna be, is that too much light? There's gonna be kind of a glare, but I can definitely do light. So a paper share is where I purchase all of the paper from the catalog, and then I split it into quarter packs. So I just take a pack of designer paper, I cut it into quarters, and then you purchase a quarter of each pack. That's called a paper share. And you can see that I'm packaging them up right now. So this is the Twinkle Twinkle paper, and it's gorgeous. And this is a quarter pack of that. So you get 2 sheets of each design so that you can use either side. And it's packaged really nice. So what I do is I put it in a clear cello bag. It's closed on the top. That way you don't get it and accidentally knock your paper out and it doesn't all fall on the floor and then you don't know what is what. And then there's a label that goes right on this that tells you the colors it coordinates with, the item number, and the price. So this is my last call. I usually don't do this, you guys. What I usually do is I open up my paper shares before the catalog goes live, and then I close it. I get all the paper, and I have a ton of paper all over there. I have stacks of paper everywhere. I package this up and I send it out, and I don't do a second call just because it's a lot of work to do this. But what I'm doing is I'm opening this up for a second opening for the paper share. So I'm just doing the designer paper. So let me show you which ones it is. The cost is $40, and that includes shipping, you guys. That includes shipping and all of my packaging material and everything. So you get all of this tea room designer paper, Broadway bound, share what you love. You get Twinkle Twinkle, Under the Mistletoe, Nature's Poem. You get this Petal Prominent, I think is how that's pronounced, Tranquil Textures, Animal Expedition, Best Route, Hey Lori, Garden Impressions, and then Tropical Escape. All of the paper, this is returning paper, so this is paper that we've had previously. And then I'm no longer offering this paper down here, our basics add-on. This last opening for a paper share is very straightforward. It's just all of the designer paper. It is $40, and then you get all of this paper. So this is the Under the Mistletoe paper. It's very traditional Christmas paper. I thought I'd show you some of these. I didn't have a chance to show you guys the paper when I first did the paper share because I didn't have all the paper. So how it works is I need 4 people in order to fill a paper share. So once I get 4 people, then I put in the share. So it's $40. Shipping is free. It comes to you 2-day priority. So it ships out in a priority envelope, so you get it really fast. And then as a thank you gift, you will get this graceful glass vellum paper. You get 3 sheets of this. You get a thank you card from me, and then you also get one of these. I had some of these left over, so I'd like to send them out to customers. So that's what I'm doing. So that's the Under the Mistletoe. Here is the best route. And these are really great colors. I love these, the blues and oranges and yellows. Everybody who's already ordered a paper share, they are currently being packaged up and will be mailed out at the beginning of next week. So that's the best route. Paper. Let me show you a couple more. Here is the Tropical Escapes. The reason that I do this is because it's hard to tell what kind of paper you're going to like from just looking at it in the catalog. In fact, this paper right here, this Tropical Escape paper, I did not, let's see, did a piece get, oh, for the Tropical Escape and the Garden Impressions, you don't get 2 each of each design because there's several designs. You just get a quarter of that pack. Hey, Bobby, we just had some emails happening. So hopefully you got my last email. So these are great because they have the pink and the green, and I love it. I didn't think I was going to like this paper at all, but once I got it and I saw it in a paper share for my paper shares, I totally loved it, and I'm going to order some of this for myself, and I hadn't been planning on it, but I think it's gorgeous. I love the pink and the green together. Great designs. So that's Tropical Escape. So this is last call. I'm gonna leave this open until Friday. So Friday is gonna be the last chance, today, tomorrow, and Friday. That way I can get the order in this weekend and get it to me and get it all packaged up. So again, you get all of the designer paper. Let's count how many there are, and it's $40. That includes priority shipping to you. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12 different packs of designer paper, 6x6 for $40. You're going to be able to see all of the paper up close to decide what you want. And then next month is going to be a designer paper sale. So it's going on sale. So we just, as demonstrators, found this out. So right now it's a really great time to get this paper share. Find out which papers you like out of the catalog, and then next month when the sale happens, you will be able to stock up on the papers you really want. Instead of maybe stocking up on paper you end up not liking. I ended up not liking this one right here, and I'm not planning on buying any more of it. So that happens, right? So the last thing is, it is the last call for my card class to go. This is 2 of the cards that we're making The other stamp set that we're using is the Accented Bloom stamp set. So my card class to go is really straightforward. You can purchase just the exclusive videos. I do this with another demonstrator. This is our local card class cards. And so you can get the videos from us, where you get a video from me and you get a video from her. And you can get that for $20. For $25, you can just get the kit and the videos. So you'll get the kits. There's 4 cards. You get to make 2 of each. So you get to make 8 cards. And then you get the exclusive videos to put it together. That's $25. Or you can get product. So you can get the Varied Vases bundle. You can get all of the products that we're using. So I'm going to leave links to that for you guys. This is the last call for it. We are closing pre-order because we're getting ready to make all of the kits. And this is a really fun card class this month. It has this where we use the Varied Vases. We're using some of the new in colors, the Grapefruit Groove. This is the other card, and then she has made 2 cards using the Accented Bloom. So it's the last call for that as well. So 2 things that are closing up today. And if I've had 2 people already email me about wondering if I was going to do another paper share. If I get 2 or 3 paper shares already filled up today and tomorrow, I'm going to close it early just so that I can get the order in and get everybody their paper. So just so you know, so if you want the paper share, you want to get in on it, please email me right away. I'll leave my email address in the description here. And if you're on YouTube, you can email me, or there's links where you guys can just click on it and order it. So just look for the links in the description. So that's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I am really busy today getting paper shares for this group out and getting this up to YouTube and over to my website. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead, send me an email, Katina Martinez at live.com. And then I will be back at the end of the week, you guys, to share with you guys a project. I'm going to be doing a Simply Layered page on Friday. So I hope you guys are all having a great Wednesday, and I will chat with you guys later.